Hello and welcome to Korky Toilet Repair. Today we will show you how to install the Fits Mansfield Tower style flush valve. The first step is to shut off the water supply to your toilet. Then flush and hold the lever down to drain the water from your tank. Place a bucket underneath your toilet tank to catch any excess water. Disconnect your water supply line. Now locate and remove all nuts, bolts, and washers from your toilet tank. A wrench may be needed to remove the nuts. Carefully lift up on the tank and remove it from the bowl. Remove the gasket from the bowl and use the large adjustable wrench to loosen the mounting nut. Place the new flush valve with the rubber seal inside the tank. Then, use the wrench to tighten the mounting nut. Place your old sponge gasket over the mounting nut. Carefully place the tank back onto the bowl. Take your old nuts, bolts, and washers and secure the tank to the bowl. Apply downward pressure to keep the tank level as you tighten the nuts in an alternating fashion until the tank is stable. Do not over-tighten the nuts. Doing so may cause the tank to crack. Next, twist cap counterclockwise to remove, then remove the tower from the base. Locate the dial on the underside of the tower. If your original flush valve was black, rotate the dial by using the tab so the bump lines up with setting 2. If your original flush valve was white, locate the date stamp on the back wall of the tank. Use the chart to determine which setting you need and adjust to align with the number with the bump. Reassemble the tower, then thread the lever arm through the valve loop. Replace the cap and twist clockwise. Then insert the refill tube into the cap. Reconnect the water supply line. Turn the water supply on. Let the tank fill completely. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your new Fits Mansfield Tower style flush valve. Thank you for choosing Korky. If you need further assistance, please contact us.